Maiden voyage for Cheryl. Maiden voyage.
I'm in good hands.
Yeah, hey, have fun. If you get tired, just lay down, take a nap.
This is so incredibly wonderful. This is my first. Yay!
Oh, damn it.
Maiden voyage. CJ, you take care of her, okay?
I got her.
All right.
Total trust.
We're just gonna stay right here by the shore. Have a nice little paddle around.
There you go.
I'll try not to do that much.
You're scaring her.
I didn't mean to, but I had to.
All right. All right.
Damn, Cheryl. I was sitting on the toilet for 2 days.
Hey, don't be talking about toilets. I'm videotaping.
Oh, Jesus.
We're not going to tell you who that was.
Water. Oh, and I had a virgin voyage. I'd never ever been out on a kayak. Neither have we.
Not a virgin voyage, a maiden voyage.
She's afraid I'm gonna get out there and like die.
You're not gonna die.
Oh, no, I just get tired. I can't go back. See if we have chairs, sweetie.
Say hi.
Okay, and if you need a tank top,
One, I'm trying to get some footage here and nobody's paying attention to me. Elisa,
just any tank
say hi. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Say something.
Oh, I don't. Yeah, good. I want to get a video about it too. Something about the improv.
The improv. Yeah.
Because my daughter and I were interested, but she's going into the military now.
Oh, really?
So,
Right on. What branch?
National Guard.
Very cool.
Yes.
I did that as well.
Did you?
Yeah.
She'll love it. He's going to get her, so she'd love to talk to you about that.
Oh, okay.
She's a little on the nervous side.
Yeah. I'll talk to her. All right.
He is so cute.
The voice you hear about that, oh my honey, and all giggly and stuff, that's the wife. Okay. Oh, Sam's out there. Sammy's going to the other end of the lake and he'll be back.
No, but he was with his dad.
They both play guitar, so I got guitars.
Okay, got the boys together in the water. They tipped over. Sammy tipped over. How the hell did Sammy tip over?
But I wanted to see what kind of a turnout.
He's above water. He's above the water. I see his head.
He's so funny because
How the heck did he tip over?
My husband's so nervous. Look at him. He's like,
Well, he doesn't know what to do, and Sammy's in the water.
take him a life jacket.
Take the life jacket.
I got two in here.
Okay. He's hanging on pretty good, but yeah, you need to get that life. I bet you neither one of them have a life jacket.
yeah, I'm not real happy with Mikey about that right now.
Elisa, point in Kate right there. No life jacket. Sammy has nothing to hang on to. No, are you getting that, kiddo? No life jacket. He would be very happy if he had a life jacket right now.
And Mom
Okay.
paid attention too.
Yeah, he would be. That's why I always keep
Does
a
she?
jacket
I
with
think
me.
she does.
Each one.
Okay, he's still in the water. Your husband's pulling him and the kayak in.
So he flipped it over.
Oh, he flipped it over. He flipped it over.
I told him, give me your cigarettes, and he didn't.
Oh, what about his phone?
And on the
Anything.
river.
His phone's in the car.
Camera?
I got it too.
Camera?
Yeah, but that's good, Claudia. He doesn't have cigarettes anymore. They're all bad.
I was hoping there's some.
Yeah, but he knows people who do have cigarettes.
Well, Stormy will be here. She'll
And I
have
think
some.
I'm
Just to hold on to it, and, you know.
I mean, because you never know. And
CJ's going out there.
if you
I don't
go
ask
down
very
there
fast.
and
I don't want to have
Neither
a
do
bunch
I.
of
vessel,
people.
and you
I
can
have
run
like
with your
30
being
because
life
of-
jacket. We're going to go to the service and hopefully you'll be up like, you
Not
know.
everyone is up.
He's still in the water. I think he's just going to try to swim back.
I have a
know, with 2 kayaks, they can lift it up and dump it and then put it right.
Yeah, they should be able to do something. Good old Sammy.
Chipped before?
Not since I know him. Has he ever tried yours?
No, he never tried mine before. Mine is so cool.
I'm so glad you came and brought that knife.
My thing is the pages.
You guys got Rescue Sam? No, I want to see. We'll put the light check on. Do you need help?
He's got this, Mom.
It's cool, so cool. I'm like, one time I took a bike. I rode from our office to Subway. And that's not even
Oh,
No.
goody.
Okay, CJ handed him a life jacket, I believe.
Get him on. Because the ocean.
Yeah, I'm looking through it, yeah.
So, you know what I mean?
How you doing?
How are you doing? I haven't seen you for, how did you know about this?
Well, Sam told me.
Oh,
And I
Sam
wanted
told
to
you.
bring my kayak, but I've just got too much going on today, so I just thought I'd stop by.
Just stop by and say hi. You
I
don't,
actually would like to get a group to do a few things with kayaks, you know, go places. I think
yeah.
that'd be a blast.
Oh, we'd be interested in that. That'd
yeah?
be very cool. Yeah,
Oh, cool.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
We were talking about it last night at the wine thing.
Because I haven't been up to the Bear Valley Lake either, so I wanted to go up there.
Sure.
And I figured
Right.
that's where you live, so
Yeah, that'd be fun.
at least I could get in.
Yeah.
But yeah, okay, CJ's there. He's got his life jacket on. I don't know what they're really trying to do.
If I were them, I'd take it, you know, with the 2 of them, they can lift it up and dump it and then turn it back over. Because it's very hard to do it on your own. When
I
you're in
thought
the
they
water.
had it up one. Yeah, okay, see, it looks like they have it. Okay, he's trying to get up on it. They have it over,
That's good.
and he's getting up on it.
All right. That's cool.
He's gonna do it. I think what.
And they can help balance it because that's the other
Right,
thing.
I think that's what it is, because I think
hard.
last time when he tried to climb on it, it
It'll
flipped
just
over
go back-
again.
Yeah. Once
Yeah.
you're down, it's very hard. I did that once.
He's not quite up yet. I don't know what.
So
I think CJ's trying to hold the other side.
Yeah, perfect.
Did he do it?
I just
No.
stopped that.
Yeah, I think he's doing it.
Yeah, he's getting up there. They're taking the paddle from him so he can have both hands free.
Perfect.
Okay.
It's a group effort.
It's a group effort. I think they're doing well.
Good.
Get your butt up there, Sammy. There he goes. Good boy. He made it.
Good.
You might want to tell Claudia that he made it.
He made it. He's in.
Yeah, with 2 people, it's easier.
Yeah.
How was your trip?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I need to take that truck back. I need to take the truck back.
It was so much fun sharing that with you.
Yeah, the one on the right is Anna. Jim's getting in the kayak with CJ. There's Elisa there. I don't know the couple over there, do you? Lauren, and what's her husband's name? Mike, okay. Everybody else is way out there playing.
Somebody hand him a paddle?
Oh, it's up there. Anna! Anna! Could you hand him that paddle, please? Thank you.
I swear it looks like Sam's laying down. I don't see a profile, you know?
Saying these things are full, you could fill up like 6 sleeping bags in there. That'd be great. Should put a little foam on the stove.
They should have, she has the...
Okay, CJ, take good care of that cargo.
CJ, you've got precious cargo.
Hey, I'll take care of it.
Woo, woo, woo.
Claudia, you gotta go out in my dagger.
The
blue one, the dagger.
I like the way that girl thinks.
that's it.
Go out with my dagger.
Gotta go check it out.
Is it down there?
Actually, your friend's in it right now. Look, the one I was talking to right here.
Oh, the dagger's way out there. There's the blue dagger right there.